Hello, it's mini vlog time and today it's Hong Island. It's mini vlog time. Oh, there was a speed bump. Good morning. We're just going to do another one-day vlogger today, and we are going on a little boat trip to Hong Island. So we're in Onang in Krabi, and we've just got into our Song Tao. I think that's what they're still called here. Excited. She excited. We're on a boat, and it's our own boat. We're going to Hong Island on this long-tail boat all by ourselves. It was, wow, £5 each more to have a private boat than to go with a big tour, so we thought, sod it. We're budget backpackers, let's go by ourselves. And so often we get to do things completely by ourselves, so I thought an hour's boat trip to Hong Island by ourselves will be just what we need. Just made it to our first stop, which is Low Landing Island behind me here. And because we've come early, we missed the loads of crowd, so a few people on the beach, but we've mainly got it to ourselves. We're going to get off and have a little walk round.
You on the way here?
We're on Low Landings Beach, and it's beautiful. She's having a lovely time. Right, I'm going back in the sea. See you in a bit. Just pulled up Papia. I think I'm saying that right. I'll have to check it and I'll put the name down the bottom. Papia Island, and it is just actually us. The joys of a private long-tail boat, I guess.
Do we think we are?
Literally, there's nobody else here. So we can have a bit of a snorkel here. I've spotted one other person swimming solely in the sea. I've just spotted a swing as well, so we can have a swing and a bit of a snorkel. I'm going in this beautiful turquoise sea right now. This is our fourth stop. We've stopped at two different islands, Low Landing Beach, very small private little island, and then we went round Hong Island Lagoon, which is stunning. Just sail around there quite quickly. We just stopped for our very cheap 7-Eleven lunch here. I feel quite bad for eating this 7-Eleven. I feel a bit guilty.
What?
I feel we should have been eating like proper pad thai or seafood, because this is where we sat for lunch. Finished the lunch in style with these little gems. Pineapple jam filled biscuit, well, don't know why I'm questioning it, they're biscuits with pineapple jam. You thought there was cinnamon in there, wouldn't you?
I thought I spotted a hint of cinnamon.
I thought coconut. So between the two of us, we got no idea. But these little biscuits.
Very different flavours.
We've just hiked up all these steps behind me. There's more than you can see, and they're very, very steep to Hong 360 viewpoint, and it is beautiful. The views are amazing. This one was far too happy, but do take the climb up. So come to Hong Island, take the stairs, the many, many stairs to the viewpoint, and try not to look out for the shoddy concrete work that's holding the steps up, because that made me a little bit twitchy in the well, it was going like a rabbit's nose. I'll give you that much of a hint. Very twitchy. What? Is that too much information again?
Always.
Rabbit's nose. An 8-day trip to Hong Island on a private long-tail boat, because who are we? Who even are we?
Being amongst others.
But yeah, we've taken a long-tail private boat, which means we've been able to stop where we wanted and for how long we wanted. So we can be on Hong Island for sort of as long as we want, and we've probably got another hour and a half if we want here.
And you can sit where you want on the boat and change location.
Which is
feeling crazy.
What Elizabeth wanted. She wanted to move as many times as she could.
Sometimes you want a bit of sun, sometimes you want a bit of shade.
So was it worth taking a private boat?
Yes.
She's happy.
Maybe not every time, because it's nice to mix with people as well, but it felt quite luxurious and peaceful.
So yeah.
Romantic.
Yeah. Take the private longtail boat or do a group. There's loads of options, but Hong Island is well worth the trip. The viewpoint is amazing. What else have we done? We've been snorkeling. It was all right, the snorkeling, but it's the beaches here. The beaches and the views are what you're coming to Hong Island for.